Hi, this is Kurt Holden with CTL Truck Sales. Today is July the 12th, 2018. Today I'm going to be showing you stock number 2843. This is a 1994 Peterbilt 377. It's equipped with a 400 horse Detroit 12.7 engine, a 10-speed. It has a 3,600 gallon tank on the back, a Massport pump, good rubber, good strong running truck, very little blow by at all on the engine. We'll go take a walk around here. I'm going to show you the tread on the steer. Fender's in nice shape. There's the side of the truck. And we'll zoom in here on, show you that's a Massport pump. This truck spent its time in Arizona. It does not have rust on it. We painted it, but we didn't paint over rust. This is a rust-free truck. There's your walkway up to the top of the tank. 3 manholes on it. You can see this tank has the ribs on it. There's a rib, there's the ribs back there for more reinforcement. There's a shot of the tread on the drive tires. I'll take a walk around to the back of the tank now. Get a close-up of the valves. And I'm going to take a walk around the other side. Again, you can see those ribs on the tank, 3,600 gallons. Go down underneath here so you can see it's painted, but not painted over rust. Here's your airbag. This is air ride suspension. Here's a picture of a toolbox on the side. This portion of the tank. This truck was used for pumping cooking oil out of restaurants. Interior, we cleaned it up. See, the headliner's real nice shape. The seats are good shape. There's your floor. The dash, actually, I'm going to climb up in the trunk now and start it up. The dash actually looks good for the age of the truck. Plenty of gauges. See, it fires right up. I'm revving up the engine. You can see my hands steady. Engine sounds real good. The truck has just a little bit over 1 million miles. We don't have any service records, but I assume something's been done to this engine because it sounds awfully good. I'm going to shut the truck down now, step out, and walk up, show you underneath the hood. There's your other back of the cab. Don't forget to make Peterbilt. Okay, I'm raising up the hood. Show you the tread on your steers. Nice clean Detroit engine. Take a walk around the other side. There's a tread on your other steer. Picture of the engine all the way around. Very clean engine. I'm gonna back up here, show you the truck from the front again, and let you know this. We're going to replace that bumper. And once again, my name is Kurt Holden. My phone number is 602-487-4777. CTL Truck Sales, we've been in business continuously for 35 years. Our website is ctltrucksales.com. Thank you for watching my video today, and please give me a call with any questions.